Ah. Grabe, gabang man eh. Patay.
Araw na yun ay nagbukas na rin ang buhay ng tao.
Gabang man eh. Huwag mo, kanol.
I'm just really so happy that I was able to pull it off. Hopefully, like, I didn't disappoint the fans from GMA, Sparkle, so na GMA for watching Pulang Araw,